What is up everybody? Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you around the Jvzoo affiliate network. So as you see on the screen right now I'm at the homepage of Jvzoo. Just to give you a small introduction, it's an all-in-one platform for digital commerce. So it's all digital products which are available, and it's actually quite an old affiliate network already. I think they have tons and tons of offers. I have looked at the platform before, so I know where to find everything. They have like a really good explanation of what they're all about, how you can work with them, how they help you. So there are updates and new launches on this platform almost every week, no limits. You can recruit, free trainings, very good support, and basically they have everything you need to get started. So this is really in the digital marketing, online marketing space, tons of products, so I'll have a look inside. As you can see here, I'm logged into the dashboard right now. You have to fill out some documents to get started. And here you would see your daily snapshot. So the seller side is here and the affiliate side is here. So we would obviously have a look at the right hand side. You can see the clicks, the visitors, and the amount of sales. The gross revenue, basically the value of which your referrals bought, and your earnings, which is obviously a percentage of the gross revenue. You can watch the detailed stats by clicking here. And this is the day before, and it says, note, it takes approximately 5 minutes to update. It's not in real time. But this is actually a very nice, simple overview. I like the fact that they kept it simple because too many websites like this make it way too complicated where there's no reason to. So if in the overview, it takes you back here, affiliates, you have your affiliate dashboard, your approved products, you can find products, you can find mates, you can look for affiliate bonuses, which you can add, and the transactions and the affiliate knowledge base. Same thing for the seller side, only they have a little bit more options, dashboard, funnels, customers, split test, checkout banners, JVs, coupons, advertise with us. Well, this has even a drop down, as you can see. So they have tons of different information in this. Basically, it's a more advanced network. It's not really comparable with CPA. It's also not really comparable with any other regular affiliate programs. I think this is a really good marketplace. It's really cool. The way they set up is really unique, and that's probably why they have thousands of affiliates running these offers. So you can check the marketplace, the launch list, and the top sellers. So that's what we're going to check out because that is what is interesting. And you have my account where you can just change everything regarding your data. So let's have a look at the marketplace first. Your free live workshop invite, blah, 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 blah. Right, so top categories are e-commerce, business, health and fitness, self-improvement, and software. Let's just see what we can get for software. So here is actually where you can have a look at what the products look like when you buy it, the actual marketplace. Basically, you're going to send your affiliate link, it's taking them not here, but actually to the offer page. So they all have like a video, usually with a sales page, so actual landing page. But this is cool, you can check out the things. As you can see, I just clicked on an offer and it's taking me to the actual landing page. So this is what most landing pages look like, really well thought out, highly optimized for conversions. This is apparently a landing page builder, this software. And as you can see, the prices are not that outrageous on this platform. So usually these products, let me see, probably have to go all the way to the bottom to check out the price. Yeah. So personal license, only $24, and a commercial license, you can use it for yourself and for clients, $31. So the products actually on this network usually are not that expensive. Some range from like $10 to maybe like 300. Some are like subscription based, but more of the time they're not like above $1,000 or something. So that's how you check out the actual offer pages. If we go to the launch list, this is where it gets interesting. These are offers which has been previously launched, and you can see the amount of sales. And when you go to the top sellers, you can actually see the top sellers of today. So you see all the products, top sellers yesterday, the last 7 days, and the last 30 days. Which obviously is very cool, because if you see people in the top 30 these offers, you might want to promote these offers as well if they're relevant to your audience. You can see, let's just see today, what it is all about. Like the page builder we just checked out, elite members monthly. So this is all for movie stuff, crypto suite. Yeah, so they have like kind of different things. Let's just check out the product section, because that's the, like, you can check out all the different things for yourself, but the most interesting thing is this part. I thought it was the marketplace, but it's actually this. It's where you can find new offers. So what you see here is you see the product name. This means recurring, and this means they have a sales funnel. You can email the offer owner. So you actually see who you are working with, or perhaps could work with. So I actually requested these ones and I got approved. So get links, those are available to me. At the time I requested this, is about 10 months ago. I didn't have any experience on Jvzoo, so some of them are denied. You can reapply, but as you can see, I was approved for a couple of offers. So you can see the launch date here, and you can see how many units they sold. As you can see, for the sales funnel, it sold more than 130,000 products, which is pretty good. The conversion rate is about 9.6%. The earnings per click are $3. The average price is $31, and the refund rate is only 3%. As you can see, some of these products have like huge amounts sold, but also quite high refund rate. Like a refund rate of 10% is quite high. Here 12% even. So what I usually like to do is I would like to look at the size, the price, obviously, the earnings per click, basically everything, all the information which is available here, you should take into consideration. If you look at what kind of products these are, like this is pro themes, add-on membership, video for video making software, business in a box, monthly, landing page monkeys, landing page software, animation studio, which is also like editing, video editing, fan page money method. So these are like backlink indexer. So what we see is usually like online software or tools, or like make money online offerings. They either can help start, grow, or manage your business. So it's actually pretty cool. As you can see, they have like more than 60,000 offers? Yeah, available. Of also there are variants in there, but this is actually one of my not favorite networks, but because I haven't worked with them, but I would say like interesting networks. It's the fact that I don't have an audience and I wouldn't know how to actually pitch and promote these products. But if you are an affiliate marketer with a huge audience, if you're online marketing, you teach online marketing, if you have a blog, any of that stuff, this could be huge for you. This is a network I think everybody gets accepted to, only you have to apply for the product. So as you can see here, sometimes you get approved, sometimes you get denied. But if you have like a good story, like I had, like I was really enthusiastic when I applied. So I wrote everybody a personal message. I didn't copy paste. And as you can see, only for the first page, I got like more than 50% approved. So that was actually quite nice. So you can apply by going to jvzoo.com, and there's the link to fill in the application. You will have to wait a couple of days, but I think you can log in immediately, because once you apply for the actual offers, then you have to wait a couple of days for the offer owner to get back to you, either approve you or decline you, but you will be updated on by email. So that's very nice. As you can see, social CPA formula, epic CPA course launch, like these are like the hottest topics, and they will tell you how it works, what you can join. So there's our news items which get updated every single week. If there's something interesting to you, you can just always check it out, but else you can just ignore it. So basically that was everything for Jvzoo. This is a very small tutorial, very small explanation. It's the basics. Obviously this platform has tons and tons of more to offer, but I don't think it would be helpful. I would just recommend you to join it and just check it out on your own, and I'm sure you will not be disappointed if you are in the digital online marketing niche and you're obviously interested in making some affiliate income. So I would like to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to check out more affiliate CPA content, and I will check you guys in the next video.